Is or is not tobacco smoke a possible source of transmission in the coronavirus? Now the American Lung Association has given an answer to one of the approaches that are in the street before several news without contrast. The director of this body, Dr. Albert Rizzo, has put many smokers out of doubt by showing that the smoke emitted by cigarettes can transmit this virus in the respiratory tract. Specifically, Dr. Albert Rizzo has highlighted in his statements that people not only spread the coronavirus by not wearing a mask, but they also do so through this social habit. Thus, he points out that small droplets are sent to people who are around, and, in this way, they can become infected with the virus. Breathing out smoke can spread the coronavirus. The opinions expressed by Albert Rizzo are in the same line as those expressed by other experts who think that cigarette smoke can be a transmission route of COVID-19. Precisely, at the moment when the smoker puts out the smoke coming from the cigar. Although they not only limit it to this instrument for smoking, but on the contrary, they also extend it to vapors. In what would constitute another mechanism in which pathogens can pass from one human to another. So that in this way the number of infections in the current epidemic may affect. Passive smokers can get the virus another body that sees a close relationship between smoking and this infectious disease is the French National Committee Against Smoking. To the extent that it sees smokers infected with this virus as potentially contaminating when it comes to people who are in close proximity to them. That is, through passive smoking, and without the need for these people to inhale or exhale tobacco smoke, they can contract the disease. Rather, it will be greeted by smokers. As, on the other hand, occurs with some non-viral diseases and those that are prone to be recipients of them. As, for example, in some lung diseases or in the bronchi. Tobacco incorporates irritants. Dr. Rizzo also referred to the fact that the coronavirus is an infection that severely attacks the lungs. In this sense, it points to the importance that smoking may have in
the respiratory tract and its ability to fulfill its functions. Considering that both tobacco and vapor contain irritating substances. If you find this information valuable, please subscribe to the channel.